Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HTTPS on Netlify and check redirects, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable HTTPS on Netlify, start by logging into your Netlify account. Select the site you wish to configure from your Netlify dashboard. Navigate to the Site Settings tab on the left-hand side of the page. Scroll down to the Domain Settings section. Locate the HTTPS option within this section. You will see a button labeled Verify DNS Configuration. Click this button to check if your domain is correctly set up for HTTP. If the DNS configuration is valid, click the Provision Certificate button. Netlify will automatically generate an SSL certificate for your domain. Once the certificate is provisioned, HTTPS will be enabled for your site. To check for any necessary redirects, go back to the Site Settings tab. Scroll down to the Redirects section. If you need to set up specific redirects, locate the redirects file in your project repository. Create a new file named _redirects in the root of your repository. In the _redirects file, specify the source path and the destination path for your redirects. For example, use the format /oldpath/newpath301 for a permanent redirect. After saving your changes, push the updated file to your Git repository. Netlify will automatically detect changes and apply the redirects. To verify that HTTPS is working correctly, open your site in a web browser. Make sure your URL begins with https:// to confirm the secure connection. Additionally, check if the redirects you set up are functioning as intended. Use tools such as your browser's developer console to inspect network requests and confirm redirects. If everything is set up correctly, your site should now be fully secured with HTTPS and operate seamlessly with your defined redirects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.